Welcome my dear class 10 students in the maths class, and to your friends, those whose parents have not allowed them to attend the offline classes in the e-learning class, virtual class of St. Michael's Academy. Now today we are going to take the last three questions of the construction, and as I have mentioned earlier, this construction is a sure short questions because the constructions of a similar triangle has been removed by CBSE board for this year. So these three questions you can say that is a 4 marks sure short questions for your board examinations. So I am going to take question number 5 because till question number 4 we have discussed, I have explained and also guided to construct. Question number 5 tells us that draw a line segment AB of length 8 cm, taking A as center, draw a circle of radius 4 cm and B as a center, draw another circle of radius 3 cm. Construct tangents to each circle from the center of the other circle. So the very first, take a ruler in your hand and take a line segment of 8 cm. This is question number 5. Maths class construction exercise 11.2 NCERT. Okay. Now, please take scale in your hand and draw a line segment of 8 cm. Okay. Keep the scale, don't remove it. After that, you take a mark on 4 cm from 0. Put a mark on 4 cm from 0, and in the reverse order 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Zero, 1, 2, 3. Okay. At 5 cm. From right hand side, suppose here is 8 cm, put a mark on 5 cm and put a mark on 4 cm. You have done? Okay. Now remove the scale. Take compass in your hand and mark this one. This one is the center of first circle and this is the center of the second circle. Okay. Take compass in your hand. Put the metal point at A and draw the circle of first 4 cm. Draw the circle of first 4 centimeter. Okay, you have done. Now put the metal point at B, and this is the where you have put it a mark on 5 cm. This is the radius of 5 cm. Draw the another circle from B of the radius 3 cm. Of the radius 3 cm. Okay. This is the first two steps. Third step, where the first circle means the radius of 4 cm, cut that line segment 8 cm. Put that name as M. Put that naming as M, because this M is the midpoint of the line segment AB, which is of 8 cm, and this M mark is exactly at 4 cm. So no need to draw or find the perpendicular bisector, because according to the condition of the question, this M point is already the midpoint of AB, which is act as the perpendicular bisector of AB. Now we have to draw the third circle by taking M as a center or MA or MB as the radius. Very good. Keep the metal point of your compass at M. Take the radius either of MA or MB and draw the circle which will pass through A and B exactly. It will pass through A and B exactly. Okay, here you have completed almost 80% of your construction. Now, if we observe the figure, the third circle intersects the first two circles at two different points. Name this one as C, here is at D, here this one is at E, and this one is at F. Okay. Now you have the work of only ruler and pencil. Keep the scale and join BC. Then DD. Okay. Now AE and AF. So here your construction is complete. Okay. Please practice this one 2 or 3 more times because there are only 7 questions for your construction. और वो 7 क्वेश्चन में से एक क्वेश्चन 4 मार्क्स का बच्चों जरूर आएगा आपके बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन में, या बेसिक लिए हुए हैं या स्टैंडर्ड लिए हुए हैं. ओके, मे आई प्रोसीड टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. चलिए अब मैं चलता हूं क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. ओके, question number 6 tells us that let ABC is a right triangle in which AB is equal to 6 centimeter, BC is equal to 8 centimeter, angle B is 90 degree, BD is the perpendicular from B to AC, the circle through BCD is drawn, construct the tangent from A to this circle. This construction has 3 construction is included in this one. इस construction में 3 इस construction इसके अंदर जुड़े हुए हैं. First part you have to draw a right angle triangle ABC. AB 6 centimeter, BC 8 centimeter, angle B 90. Second construction of this basic construction you have to draw perpendicular from B to AC. Okay. Third construction we have to draw a circle which will pass through the intersecting point of the perpendicular D, B and C. And the fourth construction of this same construction you have to draw a tangent from A to the circle. ये 4 चीजें इसके अंदर है बच्चों, ठीक है ना. तो थोड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है लेकिन मैं नहीं कहूंगा कि बहुत टफ है. प्लीज फॉलो द steps of constructions as I am guiding you. You'll become very skilled in that one. First you draw a line segment of 8 centimeter. Draw a line segment of 8 centimeter. Name this one as here as B and C. Okay, take protractor in your hand and make an angle of 90 degree at B. B पर क्या करोगे बच्चों? 90 डिग्री का एंगल बनाओ. Here make an angle of 90 degree. Okay. Join this one. This angle is 90 degree. Now take a radius of 6 centimeter. take a radius where I put my compass. Compass कहाँ रख दिया? Sorry. Take a radius of 6 centimeter on your scale. On your scale, and from B cut a mark of 6 centimeter here. Okay, this is the point A. Join AC. Okay, first part of the construction is completed. You have to draw the triangle ABC, right angle, where angle B is equal to 90 degree. This one is 8 centimeter BC and AC is 6 centimeter. Second part, we have to draw a perpendicular from B to AC. Now, please look at the board. Take your compass in your hand. Put the metal point at B and adjust the radius on your compass such that it will intersect AC at two different points. Once more I will explain. B पर आपको मेटल पॉइंट रखना है बच्चों. इसके रेडियस को इस तरह से एडजस्ट करना है कि AC को ये कितने जगह पर कट करे? दो जगह पर. मान लीजिए हम इतना छोटा किए, नहीं कर रहा है, फिर थोड़ा और बड़ा करेंगे. तो हम देखेंगे हाँ 1 and 2. 1 and 2 ये आपको अपने से एडजस्ट करना है. Adjust the radius by keeping at B. It will intersect AC at two distinct or different points. इतना कर लिया बच्चों? Okay. Now again look at the board. Keep the metal point at one of the intersecting arc. Now you can reduce. अब इसको थोड़ा छोटा कर सकते हैं. इसके आधे से अधिक बड़ा जो intermediate part है. From here draw a arc clockwise. From first and second also from draw another arc. फिर से मैं दिखाऊंगा बच्चों. इसको छोटा करके one arc we have to draw here from left to right and from here again from left to right by keeping. You got this intersecting point? मिल गया आपको? Very good. Now take your scale and pencil, keeping the point at B and connecting that intersecting arc up to triangle. You draw this one with a straight line and up beyond this one with a dotted line. Here you make that point D. Make that point D. This BD is perpendicular on AC. This is the second part of the construction. Okay. Now third part, you have to draw a circle through B, D, C. इसका third part है. Again, take compass in your hand. Draw the perpendicular bisector of BC. अब इसमें क्या करना है बच्चों? आप इसमें 4 सेंटीमीटर मिड पॉइंट ले सकते हैं डायरेक्टली, या ज्यादा अच्छा होगा कि आप इसको कीजिए. टेक मोर देन हाफ. ड्रॉ one arc above and one arc below. अगेन फ्रॉम C. इसको डिस्टर्ब नहीं करना है बच्चों, इसको कट करो ऐसे. ड्रॉ द परपेंडिकुलर bisector. Okay. And join this one with dotted line. Let this point is M. इसको M रख दीजिए आप. ठीक है? Draw the perpendicular bisector of BC. Draw कर लिया? Draw किया बच्चों? Very good. अब keep the metal point at M. Keep the metal point at M. Take any radius, either MB, MD or MC. अब जो आप सर्कल ड्रॉ करोगे बच्चों, बी डी और सी से होकर क्या होगा, पास होगा। This is the third part of the construction. You have drawn a circle passing through B, D and C. Now the last part. अभी last part बच गया, हमको क्या करना है? We have to draw a tangent from A to the circle. अब देखो वो ऑलरेडी आप कर चुका है, क्योंकि दिस इज 90 डिग्री। अब क्या करना है, इस AB को क्या करोगे बच्चों, केवल इसको प्रोड्यूस कर दोगे। तो हम A B C D, suppose this one is E. Here AE is perpendicular on the tangent. So all four conditions have been fulfilled. First we have to draw a right triangle ABC. AB 6 centimeter, BC 8 centimeter. Second part, we have drawn perpendicular from B to AC by taking a radius which intersect AC at two different points and draw the perpendicular bisector join it. Second part. Third part, we have to draw a circle passing through BDC. For that one, we have drawn the perpendicular bisector of BC. Then this M is the center of the circle which pass through BDC. Taking M as center or MB or MD or MC as radius, you have drawn the circle. Third part has completed. Fourth part, we produce simply AB up to any point E, and that is a tangent from A to the circle. So there are four constructions included in this question number 6. So please take this question very seriously because there are intermediate construction in the basic construction. टफ नहीं है बच्चों, लेकिन प्रैक्टिस नहीं करोगे तो इसको बना नहीं पाओगे। ये भी मेरा आपसे एक सजेशन है। So please do practice it, and after that I will take the last question. That is the question number 7. God bless you.